Holy shit, Camp McCloud already fucking dropping fucking shells. Oh, that's pretty. Got Renegade, his fucking tent right fucking packed up. He's ready to go shoot. Fucking Casa MF.
Super Casa.
G Money with the fucking GAT. Let's take a little tour. I'm your tour guide, Mike. At Camp McCloud. There's Bradley. His tent and dirt bike. And old Gabe, he's riding to this weekend. Screwdriver. Fucking nothing like a Nazi on a fucking 450 for you. Fucking scene of the injury. Fucking old claw fist. Already required stitches. Not at the campsite for more than an hour. Where are we going here? This fucking salty peckerwood coming out of the woods. Attention, ladies and gentlemen, if you ever see a subject or it's like fucking Beowulf coming out of the fucking forest, modern day, you better run like hell if you see something like that coming at you in the woods. That fucking thing sounds fucking mean. What one was that?
Throw it away again.
Fucking sick.
Oh shit, there's a bunch more.
Oh yeah, we'll go over there and do some fucking full-on fucking video footage. We'll try back later.
McCloud 9 out.
McCloud 9 out. McCloud 9 out.
McCloud 9.
Look at a fucking drag strip, dude.
DBJ, MF,
What's up, guys?
chilling at fucking McCloud.
McCloud 9. Best time of our lives.